Hi, my name is Jenny Alberti, and I am the director of Wholehearted Hands. Wholehearted Hands is a nonprofit organization that has been created to give parents the support and tools they need to help their children overcome self-harming. Not only am I the director of Wholehearted Hands, I am also a parent of a child who self-harms. I know the heartache and the worry that parents feel, but this organization has been formed to help us, the parents, know that we can get through this. Self-harm is any action that an individual intentionally does to themselves that results in pain or injury. The Center for Disease Control estimates 312,000 numbers of emergency visits for self-harm in 2018. Self-harm can include, but is not limited to, cutting, burning, and scratching oneself. It is important to remember that self-harming is not a diagnosed mental illness, but those that suffer with a psychological disorder may self-harm. In a recent study with participants ages 12 to 19 years old from 41 countries, they discovered that the mean age of starting self-harm was as low as 13. Within this study, 597,000 reported self-harming. They also discovered that females were more likely to self-harm than males, with cutting being the most common action. This age group is currently in middle school and high school. According to the Recovery Village, this age describes an awkward time of physical, mental, social, and development changes for these individuals. Anxiety and depression in these individuals can be a trigger to begin self-harming. Anaheim, California has 7 junior highs and 11 high schools with approximately 25,000 students. Anaheim, California will benefit from this HCC regarding self-harm. The school encompasses children 12 to 18 years of age. Partial hospitalization programs for adolescents specialize in helping individuals who are suffering with self-harm and other mental illnesses. Partial hospitalization programs is a short-term structured therapeutic treatment model for adolescents who are experiencing persistent and severe mental health issues and are in need of crisis stabilization. Understanding why self-harm occurs is important to help change and prevent this health issue. Our children need to know that they are supported and that we can help them together as parents as we share our personal stories and we learn from professional psychiatrists and therapists. We can learn the tools that we will need to help our children. Please sign up for the parent support group at Wholehearted Hands. All parents of children ages 12 to 19 in Anaheim, California are invited to participate in our parent support group. We will provide resources to help manage self-harming children. These parent support groups will offer research-supported approaches that will help you manage and support your children. I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking this time to listen to this podcast and know that there is hope and that we can help our children. Please reach out to Wholehearted Hands. You can call directly at 714-867-5309, or you can also sign up for our parent support group online or through our Instagram and Facebook accounts at www.wholeheartedhands.com. Thank you and have a great day.